In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Canva posters and text effects. Open Canva and start by choosing a poster template that matches the vibe you are going for. Don't worry if the template isn't perfect yet. Think of it as a starting point. Next, head over to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Bring in your image by uploading it from your device, then drag it onto the canvas. When it lands, use the Set Image as background option so it fills the entire poster. Pick a high-resolution photo for best results, and make sure the subject isn't too busy. This helps your text stand out. Now it's time to add your headline. Click the text tool and add a heading, then type in your title. Open the font menu and change the font to something with personality. Select the Barbara font for a stylish, expressive look. After that, change the text color so it has strong contrast with the background. Light text on dark areas or dark text on light areas usually works best. With the title selected, open Effects and choose Outline. Keep the thickness low for a refined edge that adds definition without overwhelming the letters. If needed, tweak the outline color so it complements the fill. A subtle outline can dramatically improve readability over a textured image. Resize your title by dragging the corner handles while holding Shift to maintain proportions, and reposition it to a spot with breathing room. Often the top third or center works well. Watch for Canva's smart guides to keep everything aligned. Add another text element for your supporting line or subtitle. Type in your second text and choose a font that pairs nicely with your title. You can contrast styles, script for the title, and a clean sans serif for the subtitle, or keep them consistent for a cohesive look. Open Effects again and apply the same outline style as the first text, matching the thickness so both lines feel unified. Adjust the size to create clear hierarchy. The title should be the most prominent, with the second line smaller and secondary. Reposition the second text to balance your layout. Keep an eye on spacing between lines. Too tight looks cramped, too loose feels disconnected. If the background competes with your words, nudge the text to a calmer area of the image or slightly increase the outline thickness. And that's your poster. A strong background, a standout title using Barbara with a clean outline, and a well-paired second line, all aligned and balanced. Save your design when you're happy with the composition and you're ready to share.